Our Earth. We live on Earth. It is our home. Earth is very beautiful. It is not round like a ball. It is a little flattened at the top and bottom. This is the picture of Earth clicked from the space by the astronaut. Natural things. The surface of the Earth has two main features, land and water. Look at the globe. A globe is a model of Earth. Landforms of Earth. At some places the Earth's surface is high and at others it is flat. These different features of Earth's surface are called landforms. There are various landforms. They are plains. Large areas of flat land are called plains. They are suitable for living and growing crops as many rivers flow through them. Many cities and towns are usually built in the plains. Plains are generally hot in summer and cold in winter. Hills. A high piece of land is called a hill. They are highlands but not as high as mountains. They are usually have fine weather suitable for cultivating fruits, tea, coffee and spices. Mountains. Very high areas or high hills on the earth are called mountains. Most of them remain covered with snow all the time. Many rivers flow down the mountains. The top of a mountain is known as its peak. Valley. Lowlands between hills or mountains are called valleys. Valleys are V-shaped lowlands that lie between two mountains or hills. They usually have rivers flowing through them. Plateau. The land higher than a plain but flat at the top is called a plateau. The flat top is called a tableland. Desert. A large area of land covered with sand is called a desert. They are hot areas that receive very little rainfall. Due to shortage of water, only a few plants like cactus, plum trees, and dates grow in the desert. Camel is a useful animal used to travel in the desert. It is called the ship of the desert. Island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by waters on all sides. Water bodies. Water is very important for life. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. So there are many water bodies on the earth. They are ocean. The biggest water bodies on earth are oceans. The water in oceans cannot be used for drinking as it is salty. There are 5 oceans in the world. Sea. A sea is very large body of water. Most of rivers flow into the sea. Lakes and ponds. Small water bodies in which rainy water collects during the rainy season are lake or a pond. Stream. In summer, the snow on mountains melts and runs down in the form of a stream. River. When many streams join together, they make a river. All rivers flow towards the seas and oceans. We all need water for drinking, cooking, bathing and washing. Plants and animals also cannot live without water. The landforms and the water bodies are called natural things. The part covered by water bodies is much larger than the landforms. Many large oceans and seas cover the earth. The rivers flow through the mountains and make the earth green and beautiful. The large green areas on the earth that are completely covered with trees are called forests. Different types of animals live in these forests. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Man-made things. Humans have built many structures on land like houses, factories, roads, parks, railway tracks, etc. Many bridges, dams and harbors have also been built over the water bodies by humans. The houses, roads, dams, bridges, etc. are called man-made things. House, factory, road, bridge, railway track, dam. Forests have been cleared to make fields for growing crops and to make space for building houses, roads, dams, etc. With time, this has become a great danger to our world, as reducing trees have led to a polluted environment. Humans have made all these structures and changes to fulfill their needs for food, home, clothing, traveling, etc. This helps humans to have a comfortable life.